A homogeneous circular cylinder of length L, radius r, specific gravity S floats in water. It is noted that small r is equal to 2 by 3 h. Which of the following condition will flotation be unstable? So we have to find the condition of specific gravity for which the flotation of this circular cylinder will be unstable, and we are also given r is equal to 2 by 3 h. So let's see what is the correct answer for this question. So the correct answer for this question is C. So for unstable condition, Gm is less than 0, that is metacentric height is less than 0. Now this Gm we can write as I by V minus Bg. So substituting the value of I, that is moment of inertia, and the volume, that is area into length, will get moment of inertia pi d power 4 by 64 and volume as area, that is pi d square by 4, and into length will get the volume. And Bg can be written as h by 2 minus L by 2. So this whole thing is less than 0. So if we calculate this left hand side, we'll get d square by 8L is equal to h minus L. So this is very important relation. One another relation that you should know, it is L is equal to S into H. So what is L, what is S, and what is H? So this S is specific gravity. Whenever any block of specific gravity S which has the height capital H is floating on water, so the height which is underwater, this height can be calculated directly as specific gravity into H. Okay, so using this we'll get L is equal to S into H. Now substitute this in this previous equation, d square by 8, instead of L substitute SH, and then solving this, at last we have to substitute R is equal to 2 by 3 H, because that is what is given here, given condition. Okay, so after substituting and calculating, we'll get a quadratic equation. Find out the roots of this equation, we'll get 0.33 and 0.66. So finally we'll get the answer as S will lie between 0.33 and 0.66. So the correct answer is C.